Hello everybody, we are back and ready to work on an ink block.
An ink block? An ink block for what? What are we going to use our ink block for?
Well, we're going to be working on some cards.
Cards, huh? Oh yeah, it's that time of the season.
We can create some cards to share with family members. And last time we started with a print. We made some texture prints, and we can fold our texture prints and set those aside to be printed on with what we create today. So we're going to start with the cardboard and plan to use this for our print next time. The theme is going to be snowmen, and we're going to use some foam to create our snowmen, cut them out, and glue them on our cardboard.
Alright, so we're going to glue this foam on. Hey, can I add some other family members to my ink block?
Of course, the more the merrier. Don't forget to add the ground that your snowmen were built on and are sitting on, and any other details that you want to interest your audience. The more details, the more variety, the more interesting your print will be. So next, as your pieces are drying, you can carefully draw some details on your snowmen. I would try to make your details bold. You're going to want to really push into that foam without moving it. It's going to be tricky. I'm really holding this foam in place and preventing it from sliding all around, and I'm carefully adding details. So as you add your details, think about fun things that you like to wear in wintertime when it's cold, and things that will bring your snowmen to life. Don't forget the background. We have some snow, the moon, and then we're going to be able to, of course, writing our name so I know where my piece is next time. And then we'll be printing these. So,
wait, what's it going to look like when we print these? I can't wait to see. Yes, please, give us a sneak peek.
All right.
Please?
Well, I'll give you a sneak peek, and you'll be able to figure out what it's like when you print your piece next time. So today we're going to try to add as much detail as we can so that next time when we do our print, you'll be able to see those details big and bold, and we'll be able to share our cards with the people we care about. So let's see. I can create an ink block. Enjoy, class.